Welcome back to another video. Today we have a little bit of a little interior mods that we're gonna do, quick mods. Having to do with ambient lighting, but you know, let's get the car in, just pull it into the driveway, let's get to work. Alright guys, so listen, this is what we're about to do. So we're gonna be replacing the radio trim for the LCI with the little LED strip on the bottom, just to give the interior of the car a little bit of a better look. Alright, so let's get to it. Basically, what we have to do, first of all, we're gonna have to remove this trim. I'm gonna try to use a trim remover tool. I don't have the best one, so if anything, I'm just gonna use a flathead. You guys criticized me for that last time. And then behind here should be 4 T15s, I believe. If anything, I'll correct that in the video, but let's get to it. So just to give you guys more of a closer look, you guys are gonna take this off, and behind here there's a few plugs. You want to unplug all of this just so you don't mess anything up. So you'll be unplugging all of these. So now that this is out, you start exposing more of the screws that are there. But we also have to remove this bottom piece right here. Okay, so you can just do those with your fingers. And this isn't actually, oh, that's dirty, but that's an LED that shines over there. And that's where we're gonna get the power for the trim tool. Or should I say the new trim. So we're just gonna unplug this real quick. Should come out as so. There you go. So yes, these are T15s, and there's 4 of them. So let's get to work. So again, giving you a closer look. So after you take the top trim piece off, you'll take the bottom trim right here, and that's where we'll get our power. It's where it connects. It's a little small LED that goes down here. Then you have this one, this one, this one, and this one to remove. They're all T15s. So after you pull it out, there should be one connector back there, and that should be for your radio. And we're just gonna pull that back and unplug it. All right guys, so this one has a little tab on it that I think you want to press on. After I press on it, was a little bit easier to get out. But this is what we're looking at. We're gonna remove this. Yeah, we're gonna remove this, and this old trim piece we're gonna be removing. I kind of riced out and got a carbon fiber one. Hopefully it looks decent. If not, then I'll be switching to the completely gloss black, but let's get to it. So according to other people that have done this, there are 4 tabs, and really this is probably going to be the hardest part. And there's a tab right there. So what I've heard is that you just want to work at these. Okay, the middle one click. There we go. There he goes. Okay, it should be the same thing here. That one was pretty easy. So this is what we're going to. And honestly, I kind of wish I went gloss black. My advice is go gloss black. The carbon fiber overlay or scam, whatever you want to call it, it's pretty bad. But let's see how the LED strips work. And this is the only part I don't like about the old one. One, doesn't have any illumination, so it's just plain. And this mat doesn't match with anything in the inside. So let's transfer everything over and get it installed. So comparing these two, my advice is get the gloss black. The carbon fiber, it's pretty bad. But if you get the gloss black, then everything here is gloss black and there's no matte, which kind of makes everything tie in together in the interior, which is what we want. Now, we'll see how these LEDs work, how efficient they are, and let's get this installed. So now we're gonna get this power again. I'm gonna plug this cable back in. Actually, let's just hand tighten. Right now, we're gonna just hand tighten the T15s. Okay, so that's in. Move this. I'm gonna be honest, it's not half bad, but you could just tell it's not real carbon fiber, and kind of bothers me, honestly. And it is what it is at this point. But let me see, is this a T20? T15? Yep. Let's go screw this in a little bit more. This rattles a little bit. So just had to make sure I screw that one in because there was some rattle there. But this is basically what we're gonna do. So this cable, which is the only M cable, it's gonna plug into your new, I'm pretty sure this is a male, this is a female. You're gonna plug this into your new male or new female, and then this cable over here. And actually, I'm wondering why this cable is here. I heard there's no cable splitting, so there shouldn't be anything happening. All right, guys. So we're gonna take this trim piece, which is the one with the LED, and we're gonna plug in our new male, which came with the kit, which is right here, into the old female. There you go. But to test that this is all working, I'm gonna put the car in accessory mode. Okay, kind of messed up the first time. And we're gonna turn on the lights, and there you go. That's how that looks. But what I've heard is that light doesn't match anything since everything is white and this one's blue. So what we're gonna do, I believe we go into our settings, and there should be an ambient lighting control in here somewhere. There you go, lighting. And instead of sport, we'll put it to classic. So that should give you the orange look. And my recommendation is that we keep it on there. Yep, there you go. So just a closer look. Yes, I know the carbon fiber is terrible, and I will be switching to gloss black. But this is how the LCI quotation marks are on that LED radio trim looks. My recommendation is to keep it on orange. I think it looks the best, and it actually matches everything. So yeah, not a bad look. We'll put everything back together and you'll get a closer look at how it looks then. So while we were finishing the video, the GoPro actually died. So let me show you guys what we just did. We plugged in both cables back here. So now, this being a trim tool, all we have to do is literally plug it back in place. Take your time with it, make sure you get it right, plug it back in place. And as you see, the LCI LEDs are on. So this is the final result of how everything should look. That last clip you guys just saw, it's been a few days. I wanted to, actually see how everything worked, actually take it in, see if it was actually something you kind of needed on the car. And something I did notice is it's a must-do. It takes the level interior so notch higher, and I feel like everybody should do it. Should you go with the carbon fiber? No, I don't think so. Go gloss black. I feel like it's gonna match everything better, and let me just give you a look of how it looks right now. So I'm just saying, like, just that little touch, even during the daytime, kind of looks nice. Nothing else is really on. I have these strips on right now, and it was going to be part of the video, but I'm gonna have to take that door apart and see if I left anything loose from the other install the other day. But let me see if you see the back one. The back one's a little bit more illuminated than the front ones, which is funny. But yeah, I just feel like this just adds such a better look to the car, and it's a must-do. So That being said, thank you for watching the video. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Boom.